Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Brave browser your default browser in 2026. If you want all web links to automatically open in Brave instead of another browser, just follow these simple steps. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Get Started if it isn't already selected. Now look for the default browser section. If Brave is not your default browser, you'll see a button labeled Make Default. Click it. Windows settings may open automatically. In the Default Apps page, search for Brave and select it. Click the Set Default button. On some versions of Windows, you may need to set Brave as the default for web-related file types and link types. Once it's complete, return to Brave. You should now see a message confirming that Brave is your default browser. That's it. From now on, websites and web links will open in Brave by default. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.